Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 3rd, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is Library. The Not-So-Quiet Library by Zachariah Ohora. Every Saturday, Oscar and Theodore got up bright and early. Not to watch cartoons or play outside with their friends, it was the day they went to the library with Dad. Dad always said that a day of quiet exploration required a proper breakfast. At the library, Theodore and Oscar returned their old books, waved to Ms. Watson, and crept past old pickled onion Mr. Tasker. They headed down to the children's department while Dad headed up to the nap department. Oscar and Theodore were just settling into another quiet library day when, boom, crash, growl! Shh! Knock it off, Theodore! It's not me! Boom! Crash! Growl! It appeared there was a monster in the library. There's a monster in the library! Told you it wasn't me! They couldn't outrun the monster, so they tried hiding. And bluffing. You better not mess with us, monster. My brother knows kung fu. Yeah, right. They even tried trapping the monster, but that just made him angrier. Growl! The only option left was diplomacy. Excuse me, Mr. Monster, is something wrong? Yeah, there's something wrong. We hate books. The many-headed monster had tried everything to make books taste good. Seymour topped his with whipped cream. This book tastes terrible. Chuck tried mustard. Yuck. Winston swallowed his book whole. Pat tried hot sauce. And Bob used sprinkles, but they just bounced off. Should have picked a soft cover. Actually, books are for reading. What? You mean this whole restaurant is filled with things we can't eat? Well, we'll just have to eat you guys instead. Grab the sprinkles, Winston. Finally. Wait! That's when Theodore remembered something. Donuts! Perfect. You guys will taste great with donuts on top. Yum, yum. Thankfully, Ms. Watson stepped in. Story time, everyone. Please sit crisscross applesauce. Applesauce? I like applesauce. Story time. Sounds tasty. Luckily, monsters like story time as much as they like donuts. Sorry about the whole gonna eat you thing. That was just the low blood sugar talking. I don't know what's better, this book or this donut. Books sound so much better than they taste. This one next, please. After story time, the monster promised to clean up the library. Besides, Miss Watson could really use some help reaching the high shelves. The boys promised to return for story time every Saturday, after Bob, Seymour, Winston, Pat, and Chuck promised not to eat them. And that's how the not-so-quiet library became quiet again. How did you know monsters love donuts? I read it in a book. The end. Alright, we're just going to make our own little monster from the book. What you have is a hand that looks like 5 monsters, some feet to glue on, and we have a set of googly eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick those in the middle and give him 6 heads. So what you'll need is crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you want. I'm gonna use markers again, and a glue stick. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and decorate the monster. I'm going to go ahead and draw on some eyes. a little dot in the middle. Oops. We'll give them some mouths. They're all unique personalities there. And then since I don't have enough googly eyes to do all 5, I'm just gonna put some, these are peel and stick, right in the middle. Give him an extra little face. Here's his face. I'm gonna give him a little tongue. Alright, and I'm gonna decorate the rest of him. I'm gonna make him green. Give them some green and purple legs, I think. Alright, so I've got stripy legs, I gave polka dots, and little curlies. Next thing I'm going to do is attach the legs, which we'll do with a glue stick. Some at the top here. Place one there. Oops. I think I'm at the end of my glue stick here. There's one. On the top there. There's 2. And when I flip them over, that's what my monster looks like. And I think he's pretty cute.